unexpected friendships I found. These are the kind of friendships where I can be myself, even if the world doesn't like that version of me. The friendship I have now is comfortable and gentle. I don't have to be perfect with them because they never judge me. They always listen, no matter how strange or unusual the things I say are. And they don't complain. They understand my deepest emotional scars and help me heal it. This has made me realize that true friendship isn't about how long you've known someone. It's about those who come into your life and say, I'm here for you, and actually prove it.
Simulan ko to, walang naniniwala sa paligid ko. Susulatan ko lahat, mga blanco bay na, at masisipagan ko pa, ay mapusan pa ko. Susulat. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I found. Happy birthday!
Baan, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Wish ko matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Happy birthday.
Hello Neng, kumusta ka na? Sana palagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. At binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana lumakas at magpalusot ang mga katawan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We miss you and see you soon.
Kamusta Neng? Dahil araw mo ngayon, ang wish ko para sa'yo ay matupad mo mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Ay alay ko sa'yo, ang hilig at titig ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo, ang may pusong wagas.
Happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. Huwag mapabayaan yung sarili mo. Yan lang. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Huwag kalimutan lang magdasal at magpasalamat sa lahat ng blessings na dumarating sa buhay natin. Ingat ka palagi. Sana laging nasa maganda ang iyong kalusugan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Ban. Sana namin mag-ingat ka po palagi dyan.
Tapa, Kim. Ago.
Anyong same,
Singhel siya kayo.
singhel siya kayo.
Ago.
Saranghe, happy birthday, Tita Baan.
Ano sasabihin mo kay Tita Baan?
Salamat sa binibigay mo sa akin.
I love you.
I love you.
Yay!
Tabaan. Salam sa Diyos at bigyan ka niya ng mabait kasama mo si Tita Mikey.
May pusong wagas, ganda tulad mo.
Happy birthday, Tita Baan. Thank you po, salamat. I welcome.
Happy birthday, Tita Baan. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday po, Mama. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. Thank you po sa lahat. Mahal ka po namin. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Mama, happy birthday. I love you. Penge po ako